EA Sports. It's in the game. Yeah, I grew up on that. I grew up on that. Don't ask me to play it, cause. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here,
welcome to the club, pal.
And as you read by today's title, you already know what to get into, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this video. I'm back with another video, as you all know, because you all are here today, obviously watching me on your phone, laptop, TV. I don't know, that's your business, but thank you for watching and supporting me. I don't know where I got sentimental just now, but yeah, anyway. As you read by today's title, I'm gonna be taking out my month-old knotless braids and child the ghetto right now. But today I'm gonna be showing you all me pretty much taking my braids out and how I take care of my hair after I take braids out, specifically these. As you all know, a month ago I did knotless braids. The link to that tutorial, it will be either right here or right here, whichever way you see the card come out. There it is, boom, click it and then come back to this video. Okay, I will be doing a egg protein treatment, but that's not gonna be in today's video. That's gonna be in the next video I post, so you all stay tuned for that. Once I do upload that, that will be in this video as well. So whichever way you see the white tab come out, yeah, click that and come back here. So today I'm using Aunt Jackie's half and half hydrating sookening hair milk. I'm gonna tell you what it does. It's a leave-in recipe blended with nourishing flaxseed, coconut milk, avocado, and marshmallow root to give softness and strengthen the hair to help prevent damage and breakage. I will definitely need that since my hair has been in these braids for a month, and as y'all can see, they're broke, tired, and disgusted. I'm pouring it into this though because I don't like the spray on this. The spray on this is like, I can't spray it, but it's like a sharpshooter, so I'm gonna spray it. So I don't know if y'all saw that, but y'all see how it does that? Yeah. This is typically what I do once I take my braids out. If I don't have this milk, I usually just use a moisturizing or repairing leave-in conditioner. I sprayed a little bit of the hair milk into here, as you all can see. So now it comes out as a mist. No more sharpshooter. I use that, and in here is the oil I use, as you all know. We're gonna get into it now. Struggle Bus 2K21. Do people still even play 2K? I don't know if people still even play 2K. I don't know, don't get me started. Cause all I know is GTA, Fortnite, Call of Duty, Madden. I know Madden because my dad used to play EA Sports. It's in the game. Yeah, I grew up on that. I grew up on that. Don't ask me to play it, cause if people still play 2K, y'all please let me know so I'm not out here looking confused. So I'm gonna give y'all a demonstration on this side of my head because on that side it's too much black. You see, like it's too much going on. So as you all can see, where it stops getting frizzy, obviously, is where my hair stopped at. So what I'm gonna do is like be right here. And I'm gonna do that to the rest of my braids. I'm gonna show y'all this last section and I'm gonna fast forward through all this because this really ain't nothing special. You're just gonna see where it stops getting frizzy. So I'm gonna do like down here. I'm going to cut this side as well. And after I do that, I'm just unraveling these. This whole clip will be fast forward in conclusion. Side note, if you do not have nails, like I have on nails so I can just go through them. If you don't, then I would suggest you using a rat tail comb to take the braids out. about to go in with this hair milk that's in this bottle that I was telling y'all about in the beginning of this video. And I'm going to go in with oil, and I'm going to oil my scalp. And this is pretty much going to sit on my hair overnight since I am not doing the protein treatment until tomorrow. If I was doing a treatment or deep condition, of course I wouldn't leave it in as long. That's pretty much it. After this, I typically go ahead and get in the shower and start the whole deep conditioning wash day process, but I'm not gonna do that this time because I'm gonna try out a new protein treatment, and I will be doing a video on that, so make sure you all stay tuned for that. Once I have the video uploaded, like I said before, I will make sure it is linked in this video so you can go ahead and go watch that video and see how that turned out. I'm gonna show y'all how much hair I lost within a month. This is about the amount of hair I lost in a month, which is pretty average, I'm guessing. Not too much, just that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.